Hey guys, it's the MechQuest Master. This is the first video I'm gonna put up on YouTube for my non-webcam, my flip video camera. I'm gonna show you how much snow we got last night. Okay.
Right down there. The blizzard of 2010.
Look at this. Now here's a comparison. It's still sort of blowing. It's still like coming. But here's a comparison. Hey, can you hold this?
What do I do?
Get like my whole body in the picture and me standing next to that.
Turn it on.
No.
Do I aim it this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Hey YouTube! This is the blizzard of 2010 in Marlborough, Mass. Showing you the depth of the snow. It's coming up to Frankie's waist. Put your arms out there, Frankie. Oh yeah. Take a walk all the way down. We cut a big trench in the snow. Frankie's going down there. There we go. Still pretty windy out. We got some pretty good wind gusts out here. The snow's coming down. There you go. Put that on YouTube.
Yeah.